Center. This is a crew transporter for CST-100. It's an Airstream, a Boeing Airstream. The Astro van. Pretty nice looking little vehicle here. And that's the Boeing Capsule there, the CST-100. Starliner Airstream Boeing. It says your ride is here. It's a nice looking little vehicle here. And I guess that's what they're going to bring them out to the pad in when they come. Just thought I'd give you guys a view. It's got air conditioning, everything else. Starliner. Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell at Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Just checking out the Astronaut. God bless you all and God bless America.